హాయ్ వ్యూవర్స్, ఫాలో అవుతున్నారా మన ఛానల్ని? ఫాలో అవ్వకపోతే ఫాలో చేయండి. ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్ ఫర్ మోర్ అప్కమింగ్ వీడియోస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. Hi viewers, in this class also we learn about the short answers in derivatives topic. This is find the derivative of the function ax plus b whole to the power of m into cx plus d whole to the power of m. This is in the form of d by dx of uv equal to uv dash plus vu dash. Here u equal to ax plus b whole power n, v equal to cx plus d whole power m. Let us consider y equal to ax plus b whole to the power of n into cx plus d whole to the power of m, and also du by dx equal to d by dx of x power n equal to n into x power n minus 1. Here this whole term is considered as a single term, power n. Then d by dx of ax plus b whole to the power of n equal to n into ax plus b whole to the power of n minus 1 into d by dx of ax plus b. We use this formula: differentiation with respect to x, then dy by dx. Here u is nothing but ax plus b whole to the power of n, v dash d by dx of cx plus d whole to the power of n is nothing but this whole term is considered as a single term, x power n, m value m into cx plus d whole to the power of m minus 1 in the derivative is c plus here v is nothing but cx plus d whole to the power of m. Here also u dash is ax plus b whole to the power of n. This whole term is considered as a single term, x power n. Then n into ax plus b whole to the power of n minus 1 and in the derivative is a. That is nothing but d by dx of ax plus b equal to a into 1 plus 0. Then dy by dx equal to mc into ax plus b whole to the power of n cx plus d whole to the power of m minus 1 plus n a into cx plus d whole to the power of m into ax plus b whole to the power of n minus 1. And second one, that is considered by given function is 4 root x minus 2. Here root value is 1 by 2. 4 into x power 1 by 2. Then let us consider y equal to 4 root x minus 2. Differentiation with respect to x. Then dy by dx. Here n value is 1 by 2. 4 into 1 by 2 x power 1 by 2 minus 1 minus d by dx of any constant of equal to 0. Then minus 0. 2 for 2 times. Then dy by dx equal to 2 into x power minus 1 by 2 equal to 2 by root x. Therefore dy by dx equal to 2 root x. Please note down the problem.